Kenya kwa mkajuang. Jagoro mungi ore migao mochung ne chenro mag piny owacho Amos Gathecha onyiso luoro kalore kod kwano malo mag jotich sirikal mantiere kod dang'ni mar paro. Koloso gi jotelo mochung ne weche jotije bede migepe mopogore opogore mano bag Mombasa okwayo gi mondo omigi keto kenge mag konyo e fwenyo jotich mantiere kod dang'ni mag paro mondo omi bed gi midhiero e tayo tije mag afisa maduong' e thieth machiro Vincent Hongo lero ni weche dang'ne mag paro owinjo wach ayanga kaka yor geng'o akwede e kind ji mantiere kod midhiero ma kamago.
After COVID, the numbers have really escalated. In the year 21-22, we saw 13,000 civil servants who had issues of mental health. We are expecting the number to go up by end of this June. We'll get the figures by the end of the financial year. So these issues are real. And it is time that we take time and address them seriously. And we are looking at it holistically. But when we talk about emotional intelligence, it's where we are talking now to the officer himself, because they need to be emotionally stable for them to be able to carry out that function. Because when you are dealing with HR, you are dealing with individuals, and each individual has a unique problem.
There must be a paradigm shift, the lens through which we look at mental health and wellness within places of work. Today, we are inviting you, as we deepen our partnership, that we need to adjust, and drastically so, how we view our own wellness as the in-charges. We are not robots, we are not machines. We must do what we must do, because if we don't do it, then our charges will suffer.